Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe, share and watch my previous videos. If you're just tuning in for the first time, thank you all so much. So here is the look we're gonna be doing today, and the look by my right was gotten from Instagram. I do hope you enjoy this. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to subscribe and share. I love you all. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 5 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So this is going to be a round gele tutorial. So the rule for this particular gele is 80-20. One hand of the gele has to really be longer than the other hand of the gele. So I'm taking my 80 part of the gele right now, and I'm just trying to make some pleats with this part of the gele. You have to make sure that your pleats are really nice and neatly done. So this is an unconventional look, and as we all know, this is one of the most trending looks here on YouTube and on Instagram. So it's really a beautiful look, and that's why I really love making this unconventional gele. So I do hope that you like it too. So after making my pleats, after making round pleats, I'm going to start making my fan. So the fan does not lie like the normal round pleats. The fan has to stand. And while making this fan, you have to make sure that you're also taking your pleats to the other side of your head, like the way I'm arranging it right now. Make your fan to stand up, to stand properly, and then take the rest of the pleats to the other side of your face so that it lies properly. So you have to make use of your both hands while doing this. One hand has to be picking the pleats and the other hand has to be holding. And if you're not sure that your gele is secured, you have to keep pinning and pinning until you're comfortable with what you're doing. So you have to keep making this fan until you reach the end of your gele. So after doing that, I'm just gonna twist my gele. I'm gonna twist it to the front. If you twist your gele towards the back, your gele tends to fall. Like I had already said it in my previous tutorial. Also, if you've not watched my previous videos, guys, please do it. I have so many tutorials on how to tie gele. They are really going to help you. So I took my gele to the back and pinned it after twisting it. So I'm just taking the 20 part of my gele right now, and I'm going to try making a bow, like a bow there. So after twisting my gele, I'm just going to open my gele so that it gives me that really stylish look. I'm just opening it and pinning it so that it stands properly, so that it gives me a very beautiful look. I do love you guys so much, and I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you in any way, guys, please don't fail to subscribe and share my video. Like, support your girl, please support me by hitting the subscribe button and also liking this video. I love you all so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.